Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you are all well and taking good care of yourselves. Today is Wednesday. Now it's general knowledge lesson time and our topic is farm animals. Our topic is farm animals. So look at this farm. Here I have made a little farm for you. So tell me which animals are there? Yes, a rooster, a goat, a cow, a horse, a dog, and a duck. Here I have also made their homes and also write their names on them. So, first of all, look at this rooster. He lives in a coop. Its home name is coop. A rooster lives in a coop. Now tell me, which animal is this? A goat. It is a goat and he lives in pen. His house name is pen. Now move on to the next animal, a cow. Cow is also a farm animal and he lives in a barn. His home name is barn. Now tell me, which animal is this? Yes, a horse. A horse. And his home name is stable. In which he lives? Horse lives in stable. His home name is stable. Now tell me, which animal is this? Yes, a dog. This is a dog and his home name is Kennel. His home name is Kennel. All of you listen their names, home names carefully and repeat after me, okay? Dog's home name is Kennel. Now tell me, which animal is this? A duck. And its home is pond, a water pond. A duck. Now he is standing beside her pond, standing aside her pond. Her home name is pond. Pond. So look at this little farm and also now we will repeat. Farm animals are rooster, goat, cow, horse, dog and duck. And their home names: rooster lives in coop, goat lives in pen, cow lives in barn, horse lives in stable, dog's home name is kennel and duck's home name is pond. So all of you listen carefully and also repeat farm animals name and also their home names. Okay.